Hey everyone, thanks for watching. So today's video will be all about Dollar Tree organization ideas. I do have a few other ones on my channel in case you were interested. I will leave the links down below. One is a Dollar Tree organization for your beauty space, and then one is for a small bathroom. I am just gonna jump right in because I have a lot to show y'all. So the first thing is a Lazy Susan. You will just need 2 pans and a pack of marbles. All you're gonna do is put the marbles right in between the 2 pans, and then you have yourself a Lazy Susan. I have shown this in one of my previous videos, but I think it's just such a great idea for any space in your house. I will be using it in my fridge to store my condiments. I like how I can just spin it around, see everything that I have, and grab it really easily. Next up, I grabbed these zipper pencil pouches with the clear front. I wanted to use these to store my puzzle pieces in because you can see all the puzzles right through the clear front, and it will also save a lot more space than keeping them in the boxes. Next up, I grabbed a few of these containers. I feel like I can never have enough of these for organization. Both of these size containers come in a 3-pack, and I like how these have the little handle right on top. I wanted to use this one for ribbons and twine and things like that. I figured I could stick a chopstick inside or a wooden stick of some sort and just stick my ribbon right on that, feed the ribbon through the holes, and it would just be quicker and easier to use that way. And then y'all, look how awesome these are. This does not even look like Dollar Tree baskets. I literally almost had a heart attack when I saw these because I've never seen black baskets at the Dollar Tree. I always see like red, blue, purple, all the different colors. When I shop for baskets, I normally go for neutral colors, so this is just perfect for my house. I just got a bunch of different sizes and I figured I could use them for all different things. I wanted to use some of them for organizing utensils in my kitchen, so I just have them all in one drawer right now, so they're really unorganized. So I felt like I could use some baskets and keep it a little bit more organized in there. I also have some that I wanted to use for in the pantry, so for my tea bags, Crystal Light, stuff like that. I also wanted to use one for heavy vegetables, so like potatoes or onions or avocados, anything like that I wouldn't put in my smaller fruit dish on my counter. I figured I could put in the pantry. They are really good quality. They're a thick woven style basket and I just love them. These are larger sizes and I thought these would be perfect for my hall closet, so I wanted to use that for curtains, sheets, towels, all of that type of stuff in the larger size bins. You could also use these in an office, so like for paper or office supplies would fit in here perfectly. You can also use the bins to organize your medicine or vitamins and your band-aids and neosporins and stuff like that. I also picked up a few other baskets. These are ones that come in packs. They're a little less sturdy. I have a bunch of these in my bathroom, but I figured I could use some of them for in my pantry to store like candy or snacks or anything that comes in small packages I could stick in here. I also picked up one of these bins that has a lid right on top. I wanted to use this for a car trash can because I always have pieces of gum or wrappers to snacks and things like that, and it ends up making a mess in my car, so I wanted a little garbage can to keep in there. I also figured you could put a bag in here if you wanted to, and I like how it has the lid so I can keep it closed if I put something gross in here like a banana peel. This isn't really an organization idea but more of a cleaning idea. I grabbed some placemats and they are a wipeable material. They're made out of PVC and polyester, so I picked up some of these to put in my fridge just so that it's easier to clean up. It does tend to get messy in my fridge, and that's one of my least favorite things to clean are the shelves in the fridge because they're really awkward shape to clean in the sink. So I figured I could just put these on the shelves and just pull these out and clean them once a week, and it won't get as dirty inside of my fridge. Next up, we have these collapsible storage bins. So I love these types of bins to put all around my house. I have a few of them in different rooms, and it's kind of like for the extra miscellaneous stuff in my room that doesn't really have a place. And I also use the smaller ones for paper stuff like mail and recipes and things like that. You can also use them in hall closets to store other things. I figured I could put my bags of puzzle pieces inside one of them. You can also use them for clothing, so I wanted to use it for some of my winter stuff like my hats and gloves and things like that. They do have a smaller third size as well, but I just picked up these two larger sizes. They're the nice fabric material, and they also have a handle right on the front as well. I picked up a file holder, and I wanted to use this for disposable stuff like plates and napkins and stuff like that. I figured that would be a nice way to keep everything confined to one space. They do sell all types of plasticware at the Dollar Tree, so definitely check there if you were interested in the plates, cups, napkins, utensils. Next up, I grabbed a couple of these glass vases. So I have talked about their glassware in previous videos, but I love Dollar Tree's glassware because it's always really good, thick quality. So I wanted to use these to organize stuff on my desk. I feel like it looks really chic to have your stuff in glassware on office tables, so I wanted to use these for like markers, crayons, pens. I picked up these magnetic tins. They do come in a 2-pack. I love that they have the clear front, that way you can see what is inside of them, and I figured these were perfect for a kitchen. You can store anything small in here like toothpicks or even spices. I thought that would look really cool to have a bunch of these on your fridge, or maybe add a magnetic strip inside of one of your cabinets in your kitchen, and these would just magnetize right to the inside of a cabinet door, and you can keep all of your spices in there, anything that you need quick and easy access. I also picked up a pack of these hooks. They do have command hooks as well if you were interested, but I figured I could use these to store my measuring cups and measuring spoons on the back of a cabinet door. I always feel like that space is neglected on the back of any type of door, closets, or cabinets, so definitely always try to use that space because it is always space that ends up not being used. Next up, I got these little metal clips, and I thought this would be perfect to store my ponytail holders. I do have a cat, and he loves ponytail holders, so he's always trying to steal them out the bowl, so I figured it would be perfect to put all of my ponytail holders on here, and I could put them either in my purse or in my nightstand drawer. I also picked up these smaller drawer containers as well. It is a 2-pack, and I figured these would be perfect for in a kitchen to store anything small. So you can put measuring spoons, tea bags, little snacks, anything like that would fit perfectly in these, and they would also fit inside of a drawer as well. Next up, I got this really pretty silver planter, and I figured I could use this to store my gardening supplies. So they also sell a lot of gardening supplies at the Dollar Tree, so I got a little shovel from there. It's really good quality, and the handle is really comfortable as well. They also have gloves, kneeling pads, all types of gardening stuff. Like, I was really blown away by how much stuff that they had. I'm assuming because it's springtime, they have an even larger section of gardening stuff. Also, I was really surprised by all of the new stuff that Dollar Tree carries. They have lots of really pretty home decor. Really nice wall art that's even made out of canvases. They have table decor, really pretty notebooks, so definitely check them out for any type of home stuff besides organization. If you have any Dollar Tree organization ideas of your own, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.